Today I have some really neat products I'm going to be unboxing from a store called Kikkerland online. It could be Kikkerland or Kikkerland. And you can visit them at kikkerland.com. That's Kikkerland.com. And they have a lot of different unique products on there that I haven't seen anywhere else. And one of them are these little briefcase barbecues. So another thing about this company is they pride themselves in giving back to local and global organizations, ranging from ecological restoration projects, creative writing design programs, and underserved youth. So they're a nice company to purchase things from, and they have some really neat stuff on there. And I selected a few things here for our camping. Now primarily our camper pod is going to be run off solar, off-grid, and I will have the AC and DC set up for my cooking. But my husband, he might want to do a little bit of cooking outside, and that'll save me some time and mess. And we wanted to try these little briefcase barbecues. So there's a small one and a large one, and both of these briefcase barbecues are portable. You can use them with wood or charcoal. If you're going to use charcoal, I highly recommend using hardwood charcoal, not the briquettes that have any additives in them, just pure hardwood lump charcoal. So just pure hardwood lump charcoal will burn the cleanest without any additives. And you can also use small little pieces of wood. So this says on it, Mini Briefcase Barbecue. This mini versatile portable charcoal grill is a great way to grill your food wherever you are. Just unfold the case and follow the simple instructions and you'll be cooking in no time. Can accommodate cooking for 2 people, convenience mess-free ash catcher, locks and closes securely for safe transportation. So we have the small one. I'll move the large one out of the way. And this one's really tidy. My husband looked at it, and this would be even good if you're going bike packing and you're carrying something. You want to carry something fairly small and tidy. It's packaged well. So this is enameled stainless steel, I think. Let's take a quick look here. So the insert says instruction manual. Unlock the latch and open the briefcase legs to the maximum as shown in the arrows. Take out all the parts. Make sure the smaller charcoal tray rests right into the larger tray. The larger tray should rest on top and in the barbecue border. So it shows some pictures there. So we have the 2 legs, and they just open out. We'll latch that open. And we have some things inside that are all wrapped up. It comes packaged really well. We have a little grill there. It's cute. So that's the ashtray and tray. And that's it. This is a perfect little tidy setup. Let's go see what'll fit on top. One of my older cooking pots, a saucepan, and it's the perfect size for a saucepan. So a small kettle or saucepan, or if you just wanted to put some toast or roast something. This is adorable. I really love it. This would be easy to carry anywhere. Clean it up and you can store it all back inside. This little easy to carry tin, and you have a little barbecue. So let's look at the bigger one. Well, it looks like the bigger one is pretty much the same, just in a larger size, which will be better if we wanted to be making some breakfast and maybe have a kettle on top and a few pieces of toast or something like that. Oh, there we go. And this one is a brushed stainless steel. And this one has a different type of leg on it. It's like a silicone wire leg. They pop out. Open it up. And there we go. We have more pieces in this one. So we have the Briefcase BBQ instruction manual on the large one. It looks like it goes in pretty much the same. Unlock and latch the open briefcase. Take out all the parts. Pull out the grill legs until they lock in place. Push down support beams until secure. Turn the ash catcher upside down and fold out the legs. Okay, let's open up the... Okay, so yeah, this one has legs. There we go. Rest the ash catcher into the notches on the support beam. There we go. And place charcoal grill inside the ash catcher. Okay, and the last piece. And then place, okay, that's it. Okay, so what is this little handle for? So that one goes there perfectly, and we have a little, let's see what that is. So this is quite a lot larger. Nice sturdy grill. I'm not quite sure what this thing is for. I would assume it's for perhaps lifting out the ash tray if it's hot. I'm not quite sure. But there's little notches right here for the grill to lay in. And this will definitely take a larger kettle or a pot. That can sit on there, and you could still probably put a couple of pieces of toast. We won't have a kettle this large off camping. And this is neat and tidy, and will keep everything clean. I'm not really great with wood burning for cooking, but if my husband's outside doing it and he's far away from the camper, or if he's using hardwood pure charcoals, they burn pretty cleanly, then he can go out and boil us some water or warm up some soup, things like that. So, and this can all close up and be put away neat and tidy without, you know, having any dirt or charcoals. And it's not a big, we have a very small camping pod, and it's not very big to have to store away. Let me see how all this stores. Let's see, so we'll push them up, and there we go. It's all stored away nicely. So that's really, really nice. And it's very easy to carry. It's not overly heavy, but yet it's not flimsy in any way. So here we have the large and the small, which is about half the size of the large. Little Briefcase barbecues from Kikkerland. So a couple of other neat things that I got there is this pocket trowel multi-tool. I was saying to my husband, I need something that's compact, but every time we go anywhere, I am always digging up little plants or digging out some rocks, or one time we went somewhere and we found some crystals, and I'm always looking for something for digging. And I don't want anything really large. So this is a pocket trowel multi-tool, 5-in-1 garden tool. Has everything you need for digging, cultivating, pruning, and transplanting. Made of stainless steel and beech wood. So it has the trowel, a weeder, a saw, a root remover, and a pruning knife. I might end up wanting one of these for home. It feels really sturdy. I'm really picky when it comes to cheapy, you know, my husband's after buying me things at the dollar store and stuff for gardening, and I said, yeah, I'm quite frugal, but when it comes to my gardening tools, I want good ones. I don't like cheap garden tools because they're only going to break. This is hefty. So, oh, and it snaps out good. That's a hefty handle. I think it will actually be sturdy enough to, okay, it wasn't locked. Be sturdy enough to actually dig. Just look how thick the stainless is on that. And we have some tools here. So we have a blade. That's a little weeder. A little saw. This is how adorable is that. And, oh, no, it's not the weeder. This is the weeder. Oh, this is the root remover. Okay. And a blade. So we have all of that in one little tool that I can carry with us in the camper. Fold it up like that. And that's convenient. You could actually put this in your pocket. This would be fantastic for foraging. I think I'm going to need a couple of more of these. I'm going to need one for the garden and definitely one for foraging, because I always have something in my pocket to go around and, you know, dig things, and I'm always worried about a sharp knife in my pocket, and this has the knife tucked away, little trowel. Excellent. So that is the Pocket Trowel Multi-Tool, 5-in-1 handy garden tool from Kikkerland. Kikkerland. Talking about foraging, I saw these there and I had to get them. We were looking for a deck of cards for the camper pod, but these were extra special ones. These are Foragers playing cards. And it says on it, by playing the game, you will experience and learn so much more about the edible and inedible gifts of nature. The game helps you to identify and respect what is out there. Go out and see what you can recognize, but treat nature kindly. This deck consists of multiple card games in one. Top trumps with focus on wild treasures and any regular card playing games. So this is a deck of cards that also has all the foraging information for plants. And there's me with my nails again. Having trouble opening stuff because my nails are so short. So let's zoom in a little bit. Oh, here they are. Foragers playing cards. I know most of the edible wild plants in North America, but this is going to be fun for my husband as well, who's learning. So it tells you about the games, and another little disclaimer card, some more about the games and points, and ability explained. Ooh, pretty Joker card. That's really nice. So we have the Joker card, another Joker card, and here we go. So you got the regular playing cards, so you can play any regular card game. See? But then each one has information about certain wild plants. Porcini mushroom, chanterelle, oyster mushroom, morel, amethyst deceiver, parasol mushroom, and on and on and on. So there's mushrooms, berries. I'm not going to give them all away. You have to get a deck yourself. So can't wait to dig into these and have a look at all of them on a rainy evening in the camper. And they also have other playing cards too, ones with birds and different very interesting playing cards there. So you can check them out at Kikkerland.com. And you'll see more of this stuff in our future videos when we're off camping. My husband will show you how the little briefcase barbecues are working out. And maybe I'll find some neat things that I can use my new little 5-in-1 garden tool. So if you're looking for some unique gifts from a great company, I'll link them in the description box below.